Hi friends, welcome back to Ziya's World. So let's start. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated to increase the awareness about best practices to protect our natural resources. It helps in promoting biodiversity for a healthy and functional ecosystem. It recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society and well-being of present and future generations. We can do so many things to protect our nature. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Cut down what you throw away. Conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff. Shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Plant a tree. It provides food and oxygen. Don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non-toxic chemicals in home and office. So always think that each and every activity in the world depends upon nature, so people should understand that any activity they do will affect the earth. Healthy environment is the key to a healthy and sustainable society. On this day, we should put an effort to protect the earth and conserve nature. Thank you.